Hi, I'm Bob Neff with Neff Automotive Service. I'm located near Oak Forest. Thank you for stopping by and checking us out. But let me begin with, if you are broken down, please call right away. Or if you have an immediate need or concern about your car, safety is our number one concern for you and your car, so give us a call so we can get you out of a bad situation. Transmission problems are usually indicated one of several ways, mysterious leaks when you move the car around, noises when the car is running or moving slowly, and shifting issues. If the car doesn't seem like it's shifting gears properly, it's probably an indication that you need to have your transmission checked or serviced. Now, what I would like you to do is go to our website and see how you can get a voucher for a free car inspection and 20 free videos answering your most frequently asked questions. These videos will highlight all of our services and some important insider information that can help you save money and keep your car in really good running condition. Now, if you have any specific questions or immediate concerns, please don't hesitate to call us. Our number is 708-293-8914, and I will be happy to speak with you and give you a free consultation.